Hello everyone, how's everyone going? On this video, I wanted to share with you step-by-step process of how a complete beginner without any experience can follow my direction, follow my training, and you'll start to see the success with your YouTube automation channel, right? But if this is your first time, I recommend you to go to my homepage here and you'll see all my results. You'll see results from the time I started since the time I'm doing it video now, and I've been sharing my results ever since, right? I've started YouTube automation back in 2017, and I have built multiple channels over time. I built my client's channel, and I just wanted to make this video. So if you're a complete beginner and if you're looking to invest your money into getting some sort of program, hopefully I can save you a lot of money, because most of the time when you buy actually any program, any course, when you get in you pretty much get no support, no help, right? And I've found that the hard way, right? So hopefully I can save you that money, right? Most of the programs I know they charge somewhere between $3,000 to $8,000, right? The most I paid for a program was $7,000, and pretty much got me results, right? But going back to my story, so if you're someone who's actually a complete beginner and if you want to see results, just follow along with me and I'll share with you the step-by-step direction. Also stay till the end, because at the end I'll give you a bonus for a complete beginner, right? If you don't have much money, right, the bonus that I'll be giving you will actually help you out a lot, right? So going back to what I was actually telling you, right, the steps that you need to do to start your YouTube automation business, right? So picking a right niche, right? This is the most important thing that you can do to have a long-term success on your YouTube automation channel. Because if you choose the wrong niche, it's going to be very hard for you to get success on your channel, right? For example, I just wanted to give you as an example. Most of the time when people come on YouTube, they do like a general niche, right? For example, they want to do motivation, they want to do celebrity, they want to do top 10, top 5, top place to travel in the world, right? um, those niche are super saturated, right? I can't tell you how many times I get people to send me a message and saying, I have been on YouTube for a while, I'm not getting results, I'm not getting success, is there anything wrong I'm doing? And this is the first thing that I ask them, what niche are you into? And most of the time people tell me they're into like luxury niche, make money online niche, motivation niche, celebrity niche, top 5, top 10 niche. And these niches are super saturated, guys. That's the reason you're not getting success with your YouTube automation channel. And this hopefully by watching this training you don't waste money on those niche, right? Because those niche are like super saturated, right? So the process that I actually follow to find the best niche, right, if you haven't watched my last video that I did, right, you need to go to my channel, and in here I give you a cheat sheet, right? If you click on this video, huge bonus, right? If you watch this video, I share with you the step-by-step process that I follow to choose the best niche, right? So you need to go and watch this video for you to get an idea like how I actually choose the niche and actually build my channel to $5, $10, $15,000 a month, right? So um so picking a niche is the most important thing. Okay, so another thing is you need to do is follow the process, right? Follow the process means you need to be paying attention to this video and not getting distraction with doing other things at the same time, right? Because our mind, our brain can only focus, get laser focused in doing one specific things at a time, right? So need to follow the step-by-step thing that I'm actually telling you now, right? Another thing you need to do is creating a logo and a banner. Especially a complete beginner, the guru YouTube automation coach is telling them spend most of your time designing, getting branded, and make sure you look good, right? but I'd say this is the wrong thing. You don't need to worry so much about this. You might know a movie recap channel, mystery recap. When they first started their channel, their videos were like robotic videos, right? And the channel wasn't even branded, right? If you go to the channel, that didn't have any logo, that didn't have any banner on the channel, right? This is crazy as it sounds, but now if you go to the channel, that channel is like really, really branded, and they're doing like everything original. But in the beginning stage, don't focus too much, put too much time and money onto just doing the things like creating a logo and a banner, because this thing is just keeping you distracted. The most important thing is, if you can spend most amount of time, I'll say you need to be doing this thing here, right? Even if it takes you 2 weeks, even if it takes you 3 4 weeks just to come up with the right niche, you're going to be setting yourself aside from other people who are actually just jumping into niche to niche, and they're pretty much just wasting their money, right? So I don't want that to be happening to you. So don't worry too much about the logo and the banner, right? But the place that I go to actually get my logos and my banners is a place called Fiverr. If you go there, you just pay like $5-10, you're going to get a really, really awesome banner and a logo designer in there, right? So, and then once you have chosen your niche, then you need to go and hire your team. The place where I used to hire my talents from, I used to use Fiverr before, but I started using Upwork, and it works like really, really fine. There's a lot of tutorial on YouTube how you can actually find the right team, right talents. But if you also need a document from me, like what actual things I use to find the right talent, what things I put on Upwork, um, you need to go to this video here and follow the process. And in here, you need to go to that details and just tell me, just comment access, and I'll give you access to the cheat sheet that I use to actually find the right talents for my YouTube automation channel, right? So those are the things that you need to do, right? Set up Trello, right? This is important as well, because on Trello you can actually see like what your actual talents are doing, and that way you can give them video ideas and tell them what videos you need to do, be creating, right? So video ideas, I'm talking about like how you actually get video ideas. So for example, if you're doing, as an example, if you're doing a motivation channel, right? I like to give motivation channel example because motivation channel is easy to start, right? So for example, if you are into motivation niche, how you actually get the video ideas is pretty much you're going to go to the channel. For example, you got this one, right? Listen to this every morning and win the day, right? So that's a title that they have put on that video. So what I actually give the talent as an example, I just paraphrase this title, right? So I say, morning motivation, this is the best video you can watch, right? So very plain, very simple, and also captivating as well, right? You need to watch this video before you starting your morning or having your morning coffee. Watch this video while you're drinking your morning coffee, right? Something like that, which is like very attention grabbing. And people, most of the time now, people actually sip on their coffee and they listen to motivation, or they get themselves ready, right? So you need to put that just to grab the people's attention and just get them to click on your video. And in here I see the guys pissed off, right? Most of the guys is pissed off here, right? So you need just model what they're doing, but if you can put some unique touches like this sort of thumbnail, if you can get on like Midjourney, that way it's going to be setting yourself as a little bit different from what they're actually doing, right? So set up Trello, very, very awesome software. I highly recommend it. It's free to use. Set up metadata keywords, right? So metadata keywords is the keyword that you actually put on the inside of your video, right? I'll just quickly share with you what I mean by metadata. if you go to the settings, if you go to the settings tab, you'll see metadata here. Let me just move this one. You're going to see a metadata, okay, and the metadata will actually help you to rank. So if you go to upload default, upload defaults, and in here you can put actually the sorry about that. So you can choose the country where you actually based in. So I'm in Australia, I'll put Australia, and the keywords I can put RapidText. This is the software that I use. RapidText, really awesome, really free, right? Really free, sorry. So automation, I say YouTube automation, and what I'll do, I'll just copy this, all the dates and everything. I'll remove these dates and the year, right? So I'll take all the words that's not actually on for my channel, right? And I'll copy everything got to do with YouTube automation, right? So you got like few different things here. So I'll just take all of this information and I'll just plug that onto my channel, right here, right? So I'll put that there, I'll save it, and so that's my metadata done. I'll put that same on my description, and every video that I upload, I'm gonna be using that same things, right, over and over again, right? And then you need to find and subscribe to 3 or 5 different voiceless channels, right? So this is the step that you need to do for you to get success. I mean, start to build up a foundation, so that way you can start earning a lot of money, right? So this is going to be your first video that I did, but here's the bonus for you. If you're someone who's actually starting but don't have enough money, you have time to create the video yourself, reach out to me via Facebook. I'll put all the links below this video, and I'll give you free training on how you can actually start your YouTube automation channel and get success with your channel, right? But if you're also watching this video, you don't have time, you're working full-time, if you want someone to actually build up your YouTube automation channel to that $5,000-$10,000 a month, right? We just have one space available. So if you want to actually work with us, partner with us, and we will actually grow your channel, we'll pick up your niche, and we'll set up a call with you, discuss everything, and then go from there. So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and stay tuned. I'll be bringing you next video in the coming days for you to start and grow your YouTube automation channel. Again, thank you so much, and my God bless you all, and bye for now.